Hey guys, how's it going? So, The Dark Tower is one of my favorite fantasy series of all time, and I love Michael Whelan's art. The Crimson King, Roland, this landscape. So, I thought I'd get some Dark Tower inspired art for my wall. And before framing, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing to show you how it looks like. So, this art is inspired by these first lines of The Dark Tower, the Gunslinger. The man in black fled across the desert, and the gunslinger followed. It's signed by Michael Whelan. So let me just put the camera down, take this out. So it's inside between two pieces of cardboard. It's very well packed, and I'll show you the artwork, how it looks like. So this is how it's come in between two pieces of cardboard, and this is the actual artwork. So I've already opened it, but I repackaged it for the unboxing, so I'll open it again. Hopefully I can get this open. Yes, I can. Ta-da. Signed by Michael Whelan, one of my favorite fantasy artists of all time. Arrived in pretty good condition, judging. Like, usually whenever I do international shipping, things are damaged. This one was insured for this reason, because things tend to come damaged when I do international shipping. But it came in quite good condition, and I'm excited to frame it and put it on my wall. And I'm also excited to buy more framed art. And I'll do unboxing whenever I buy framed art from artists like Todd Lockwood, Michael Whelan, and other fantasy artists, because I've been reading a lot of fantasy. I want something to reflect that on my wall. So hopefully you like this unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions. This cost me around $70 with international shipping to India.